Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and tonight we are kicking off an epic week of live streams. So excited tonight to start the week of the 50th anniversary celebration of Walt Disney World. So we're starting tonight with a really epic stream starting at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll be at both Magic Kingdom and Epcot to do both fireworks because we want to do them as much as we can before they end here in just a few short days. So we'll start at Magic Kingdom. We'll ride some rides, watch Happily Ever After, and then take the monorail over to Epcot to watch Epcot Forever. It'll be our last Friday Night Live with Happily Ever After and with Epcot Forever. So we hope you'll join us for both of those amazing shows because, it's really hard to say goodbye, but we're excited about what's coming. So that will be Friday night, tonight, at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll see you later tonight for the beginning of this epic week. But moving on Sunday morning, going to be live at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We haven't been to Animal Kingdom for a long time, so around 9 a.m. Sunday morning we'll be live at Disney's Animal Kingdom, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and we'll be able to ride all the rides in the morning. It shouldn't be as crowded. Safari, Everest, and we'll see if we can do some of the Pandora rides, but that'll be 9 a.m. Eastern Time at Animal Kingdom. And then on Tuesday, the next big stream is going to be Tuesday at around 6 p.m. Eastern, maybe a little bit early. 6 p.m. Eastern Tuesday. Around that time, we're going to be saying goodbye to Epcot Forever. Kind of interesting that a show called Epcot Forever is going away, but it's got some amazing music in it, Horizons, and all kinds of great stuff. Veggie, fruit. Like, how can you go wrong with that, right? So definitely tune in on Tuesday night at 6 p.m. Eastern Time for the end and saying farewell to Epcot Forever. We hope you'll join us for that. We know it'll be bittersweet, but Harmonious is coming, and hopefully it is amazing as well. And then Wednesday night, probably the saddest night, is going to be saying farewell. Wednesday night around 6 p.m., maybe 5:30. Wednesday night, going to be saying goodbye to Happily Ever After right here in the Magic Kingdom. And we're really, really sad to see it go. In fact, I'm here tonight. I'm filming this on Wednesday, the week before. I'm here tonight filming it one last time on my big Sony camera, so I hope that it turns out really, really well. But again, Wednesday night, and that will be September 29th at around 5:30 p.m. or so, we'll be saying goodbye to Happily Ever After, so we hope you'll join us for that. And again, we'll be sad, but it'll be great to see it one more time and give it the send-off it deserves. So that's Wednesday, again, the 29th at about 5:30 p.m. And then on Friday, October 1st, is the official 50th anniversary of the Magic Kingdom. You can see the beautiful 50th medallion right next to me there. Super, super excited to celebrate Magic Kingdom's 50th anniversary right here in the Magic Kingdom. And the way we're going to be doing that is with an epic all-day live stream. So we'll be starting probably around 8:30 or 9. I'm not exactly sure on the exact time. So just stay tuned, keep your notifications on, and you'll find out exactly when we'll be live on Friday, October 1st for the 50th anniversary of Magic Kingdom. And so we'll have two streams that day. The first stream in the morning and in the afternoon will be showing all the great 50th anniversary celebrations, the new merchandise, any other special touches Disney does throughout the day, and really just the crowds, the ambiance, several rides, and we'll be really enjoying an epic October 1st, just celebrating that 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World. But then later on in the evening, on that same day, we'll be switching to a different stream so that we can celebrate the brand new fireworks shows, Enchantment here at the Magic Kingdom, and then Harmonious at Epcot. We'll be showing you both shows in one stream. We'll be sending it over to one of our friends in Epcot. Jen and I will be here at Magic Kingdom watching Enchantment. Can't wait for the first time on that one. And then we'll be sending it right over to Epcot for the premiere, the world premiere of Harmonious. So we're going to be showing you two amazing shows in one stream, and also all day on October 1st, right before that. So there's a lot to come. That day is going to be absolutely epic. We hope you'll join us for the entire day. We'll show you everything that happens on the entire day, the 50th anniversary. It's going to be incredible. So be sure to leave a comment. Let us know if you'll be joining us for all these epic streams. And then after that, the weekend after October 1st, we'll probably take a break for a couple days. We'll see. We may come back out and show some of the icons of the park, the night lights on the different park. I definitely want to show you Friday night. We'll show you October 1st. We'll show you Spaceship Earth. We'll show you how the castle looks at night. But we want to go to Hollywood Studios and to Animal Kingdom and show you all the 50th anniversary stuff there as well, including the lights on both of those icons. So stay tuned for all that. Have your notifications on. A ton of things coming up. It's going to be a super, super epic week of celebrating Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary. So leave us a comment if you'll be joining us, and we'll see you then starting tonight at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time for a double stream park hopping with fireworks the last Friday Night Live for Epcot Forever and Happily Ever After. So we hope you'll join us. And before we wrap this up, definitely everybody check out all of our awesome sponsors. Links are in the description, MickeyTravels.com for the best and free Disney vacation planning advice. Also, if you want to move to Central Florida, Victor Naraki, DisneyAtYourDoorstep.com. Check them out. And if you'd like to book a DVC room fraction of the cost, definitely check out David's DVC Rentals, DVCRequest.com/TV. And also, if you would like to clean your home or business and clean it the best in the New England area, definitely check out clean-look.com. Tell them Resort TV 1 sent you. And also, if you'd like to find out how Imagineers created your favorite attractions, check out Behind the Ride on Amazon. And finally, if you'd like to get matching Disney shirts for your next trip, cornersportsnb.com. So go check out all the awesome sponsors. We'll see you tonight at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time for the beginning of a super amazingly epic, I don't know how many other adjectives I can use, live stream week to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World. All right, so for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.